How to create your Crystallise Me personalised canvas from Crystal Art at Craft Buddy, available in sepia, pop art and black and white. When you receive your kit, scan the QR code on the front of the packaging. This will take you to the crystallise.me website. Select the colour option you've purchased and get started. You'll need to enter the last 5 digits of the barcode from the packaging that you've received. Follow the guidelines for best practice in the format and size to upload your photograph. You can do this from a tablet, mobile phone or PC. Once you have selected your chosen picture, you can zoom in, reposition and rotate to get the best fit. You'll be given 8 different colour options that have slight different crystal placement and variations in the colour. Once you select your favourite, enter your name and email address. The pattern will be downloadable immediately, but you will also be emailed a copy for reference. Your printable pattern will be broken down square by square as the canvas that you have in your set. You can also view this from a mobile phone, tablet or PC, and you can zoom into areas to make it easily viewable. Everything is included in your kit, from your crystals, pen, tray, gel and bags for leftovers. Your canvas is broken down grid by grid and square by square. Marry up the letters on your pattern to the crystals in the bags and you can start to create your crystal art piece. Simply start at the top. You can zoom in on your mobile phone to the pattern to get a clearer view, but everything is numbered and labelled. You can use the individual pickup pen on your tool, or you can use the wider tray on the reverse side to pick up 3 crystals in one pass. Complete your canvas square by square, grid by grid, to start building your beautiful personalised canvas straight away. Whether you have gone for sepia, pop art or black and white, we hope that you really enjoy creating your personalised canvas with Crystallise Me and Craft Buddy.